special moment when something or someone comes in and they put a great deal of energy, a whole lot of love, prayer, and hard work into what you're setting to do.
Thank you all for coming out for this ribbon cutting event.
And we hope So good morning all, and thank you for joining us today. First and foremost, we'd like to thank the Almighty God, because without Him, none of this is possible. We are Johnathan's American Kitchen, a small but proud food trailer born from a son's dream. That's my son.
Cut the ribbon on 3 for Johnathan's American Kitchen. 1, 2, 3.
So, there are a lot of people we'd like to thank. Mr. Leonard, of course.
He stepped
He may
aside.
have run to. Mr. Eugene, of course. And everybody else who has come out. We also like to thank Tony from Da Vinci's Pizza for helping us along the way. I don't think there's anything less to say, but thank you everyone for joining us. We greatly appreciate it.